Hello students, in this video we are going to see program number 9, KNN algorithm, and I am referring manual from Dr. Tyagaraja. I will give the link in description, you can refer the lab manual. Now we will see the program. So in 9th program you have to implement KNN algorithm and classify the iris dataset. So iris dataset is a free dataset which is available in the internet. We should refer this dataset, and you have to take one correct data and wrong data. Both data you have to take and do the predictions. So before that we will see how KNN is working. So KNN is a clustering method and it takes distance metric, Euclidean distance it takes. You can see the diagram. If suppose you are taking KNN equal to 1, now this is the data, minus and plus we have data, this x is your unknown data. So based on your distance, Euclidean distance, this is x is near to your minus 1 data. Because you have taken KNN equal to 1, so only one data is considered. If suppose you are taking KNN equal to 2, in this which is the near data, based on nearest data, minus data, this unknown data is classified to minus. Now in this KNN equal to 3 means you see majority of the data belongs to plus. So the unknown data will be classified to plus. Now same manner we are going to predict our iris data set. Now I will go to the program. So this program will load the iris data set, flower data set. This iris flower will have 4 attributes: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and target. So that flower belongs to which type? 3 type of flowers we have: Setosa, versicolor and virginica. And this line is importing your KNN algorithm. This is NumPy. Now we have to take the data set and we have to divide the data set into training and testing purpose. So line number 7 will load your entire data set, iris data set. Now from the iris data set we can see the target name. Only target name is printed. Now we will see the target name. So this is the target name. Here you see, this is the target name. Setosa, versicolor and virginica are the target name. I will show you the entire data set. It is printed down. So one by one, when line by line we see the code, we will see the output. So this for loop is printing which number is assigned to which name. See, I, we are printing I, 0 belongs to which one, 1 belongs to which one, 2 belongs to which one. So that is given here. So 0 belongs to Setosa, here you can see, 0 belongs to Setosa, 1 means versicolor, 2 means virginica. These are the 3 type of iris flower we have. Next we will see. So after printing this, we are dividing the entire data set into training and testing. So X training, Y training, X test and Y test. So train test split is splitting your data set. So this is your iris data set data and target. So both are separately taken. So data part, that is concepts, and target is separately taken for training as well as testing. So we will have X train, Y train and X test and Y test. Data are selected randomly. Okay, so this is to set whether you are selecting the data set randomly or any sequential order you want to follow. Now this line is printing your target. So here directly you can give print X train, Y train, X test, Y test. So all the data you can see, because there are more data, around 150 data is there in the data set. I don't want to print all the data set, just count I can see. So you can see the count. So training, how many we have? 112. We know that 4 attributes are there: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. These are the 4 attributes for your training data as well as test data. How many training data? 1112, test data 38. So it has taken 75% for training, 25% for testing. So that is this print. And the entire target from your data set, the entire target value is printed, that is this target value. So this is for your first set, second set of data up to here, that is this is third group of the data. So that target only printed. This is just to understand the data set, some print statement is used. So here KNN algorithm is called KNN equal to 1. Means the equivalent distance takes only one data set to compare the unknown data. So Kn is a variable, it takes this algorithm and we are fitting our training data into KNN model. Now we will take randomly one data. This is one data set, iris flower data set, that is taken into this variable new. Now we will check this new data belongs to which type of flowers. So that is printed and it is predicted. We will see the prediction result. Down it is here. Down you can see the new data is this one. This is the new data we just printed. That new data target value is 0 Setosa. Okay. That is one correct data. Now on wrong data we have to show demo. Now you take any value for I. Okay. Randomly you can take any data. Randomly one test data. We have some random test data, right? 38 test data we have. From that any one data you take here. So that data is converted to array format, that we are just printing. I can show you the length of the test data. As I told, it is 38. We have 38 data already we have printed. So here, this is the new data which we are going to predict. This is total number of test data. Now we will see. So this for loop will run for 38 times. That first data you are taking, for the 38 data one by one you are taking, and each data are randomly chosen. So every time it will calculate a different flower and predict different flowers. So we are converting to array format, we are applying the entire data set to KNN algorithm. Same thing what we have done here, same thing is repeated inside for loop. Now we are printing based on this prediction. Now this algorithm KNN is predicting what is the predicted data. Okay. So this predictions actual data and predictions predicted data. Predicted data and actual data is printed. So this is actual data printed and predicted data printed. So the input is given 38 times because 38 test data we have. So the actual first time when you are giving, as per the test data it is type 2 flower, Virginica flower, and KNN is predicting Virginica. Then for loop is going second time. The randomly it is taking because we are giving 1, right, index 1. I show you. So this is 1, index of 1. Second time it is randomly chosen. So second flower, that is which flower we can see, that is versicolor, predicted as versicolor. So the for loop will run 38 times, all 38 flowers. How many times it is predicting correctly with the actual data? See, we can see many times versicolor is predicted as versicolor, setosa is predicted as setosa. Properly it is predicted. Very rarely it is predicting wrong. So we can see the accuracy score. Now the last line is giving you the accuracy score. So this is giving you the accuracy, KNN accuracy for iris data set. We will see the accuracy is 97%. Means out of 100 data, only 3 data will be wrongly predicted by using KNN. So that's all this program. We will see the next program in the next video. Thank you.